Hello and welcome to part 1 of our Kangaroo Island highlight video. We woke at the crack of dawn, finished packing the car and headed south for Cape Jervis. Our route took us along the Fleurieu Peninsula, one of the best drives in South Australia in my opinion, full of winding turns, lined with trees and beautiful scenery, ranging from hills to seaside. Very beautiful. Driving these roads, it makes us feel very free and happy. So we headed down along the road to our first destination for the day, which is the Sea Link ferry to Kangaroo Island. This being our honeymoon made it extra special. So we made it to Cape Jervis, or Jervis.
Up at 5:30. And we're an hour and a half early for our boat. But we might get on this one.
So yeah, we're looking good to get on the earlier one, so that's good. And we'll take a cruise across and head to Kangaroo Island. So far, car's been behaving itself, so really happy about that. Check in later.
Love you all.
As we'd arrived in Penneshaw too early, we couldn't check into our campsite, so we did some exploring to kill some time. Campsite for the first 3 days. And it's got rather a nice view, so we're quite happy about that. The beginning of day 2 saw us travelling to Antechamber Bay and Chapman River. Unfortunately, the wind created a bit of a problem with the audio on this part of the video. So what I'm trying to explain here is that here we are in Antechamber Bay, a beautiful spot that I haven't been to since I anchored here on the One and All back in 1989 when I was on my sail training voyage. So it's been a very long time since I've actually been here. Next we come to Chapman River. Chapman River actually comes out at Antechamber Bay. Where we stopped, we were at one side of the northern side of Chapman River. There are campgrounds there that are set up, beautifully set up for caravan and campers and things like that. And then on this side of the river we have sites set up for people who are camping in tents, and it affords very beautiful views of the river, and there's obviously so they've got a nice shelter here, camp kitchen bub, so they've got a twin gas barbie there, very nice, plenty of places to sit and enjoy lunch. Jazz and I both particularly love this one. We're actually thinking about sitting here and having lunch. What do you guys think? I don't think we should. But then again, there's been crazier places to have lunch. So this is the other campground at Antechamber Bay. Sort of suspension bridge that they've built across it from one campground to the other. It's all very exciting. Looks good. I don't know. Can't tell from this we finish up this episode at the Cape Willoughby Lighthouse. Now, unfortunately, I didn't actually take a lot of video of the actual lighthouse. I took a bit of footage of the surrounding areas, but only really photographed the lighthouse. And also, I did film from within one of the original light. The reflection glass light that was angled and projected the light in a focus beam around 23 nautical miles out to sea using oil lamps. So pretty powerful considering it's only oil lamps. But yeah, so that's the only footage we could get today. But in any case, that's where we end today. Bye for now.